Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video for Bitcoin with a possible long trade. I want to remind you that today at 1:30 UTC the PPI numbers, producer price index numbers, will be published, and I expect some volatility around this time. Now the 30,500 level is the mid-range, and it is acting as resistance for Bitcoin right now. Regardless, maybe if we will have favorable PPI numbers, maybe we will see some movement to the upside, but PPI numbers on this session is the same like CPI. It's not a holder's session, it's not a swing trade opportunity, it's an intraday trade. Okay, now I personally don't want to chase this green candle, and I don't want to enter a long trade before the PPI numbers are published, because for sure there is going to be some volatility and some manipulation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put an alert at 30,370. This is the top end of a demand zone on the 4-hour time frame. I will be waiting here, and my premise is that maybe price will go up, and when the PPI numbers will be published, if you watch the video for the CPI, first move is the false move, so maybe we will get back into the demand zone and push above. When we will get above this top end of the demand zone at 30,370, maybe I will take, I don't want to tell you for sure, because everyone knows what happened yesterday. The inflation numbers were fantastic, and the market still dropped based on rumors. So it's not a strong market. Also watch my video about alarm bells ticking for Bitcoin. But however, I don't exclude the possibility of a long trade based on an entry into the demand zone, which begins at 30,370 and ends at 30,230, because the risk is minimal for a long trade. And if price pushes out of the demand zone, you can enter here with the first target of 31k and the second target of 31.5k, and maybe we'll see a push above 31.5k, but in this case I will probably be a seller and not a buyer. That's all I have for you today on Bitcoin. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I'm updating Bitcoin daily, and when I see a trade, I'll give you the trade, and it's your decision whether to take it or not. Thank you and goodbye.